Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this BMW remote key fob. The battery is situated just behind this panel, so we need to remove it to gain access to the battery. So first thing we do is we press this little button here, which releases the emergency key fob blade out of the bottom of the fob. Now we get our flat-headed screwdriver, and just there in the indentation we put the blade of the screwdriver in and we give it a twist, like so. And there is your key fob battery. We just get our screwdriver again, we just get underneath it and we just prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We simply just get our new key fob battery and we just pop it into the housing. On this one, we make sure that the writing is facing upwards, like so, and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it back together. So we get the cover, and we just slide it in, make sure it all's clicked down, and now we just put the blade back in. And there you go, it's all done.